your money back. So what do you have to lose? Just click the button below to secure your
Ang
lifetime
init,
copy.
guys. Grabe. Init-init. Buti na lang may pamaypay ako. Ang ganda ng pamaypay ko. Ang mahal-mahal. Grabe, guys. Ang mahal ng pamaypay. Gosh. I think ako lang ang may ganitong pamaypay sa summer.
That's Donald Trump's latest attack ad, a personal blow he calls accountability.
Ang init. Hay, salamat.
Different story back
At
in the 90s when
lumamig-lumamig
Trump
din.
defended his then friend
Thank you for watching, guys. At salamat sa aking pamaypay.
Clinton retaliated with her own punch, using Trump's comments before the global financial crisis.
If there is a bubble burst, as they